Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ShareASale and start finding merchant partners, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the ShareASale homepage. In the upper right corner, click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. After logging in, you will arrive at your ShareASale dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. To start finding merchant partners, locate the Merchants tab in the main navigation menu. Hover over the Merchants tab to reveal additional options. Click on Merchant Search to open the search tool. In the search bar, you can input keywords related to the type of merchants you are interested in. You can also filter your search by category using the drop-down menu. Consider using the filters for commission rates or cookie duration for refined results. After setting your preferences, click the search button to generate your results. Review the list of merchants that match your criteria. Each merchant listing provides key details such as commission structure and product categories. To learn more about a specific merchant, click on their name. This will take you to their detailed profile page. Here, you can find their promotional materials and terms of service. If you find a suitable merchant, click the Join Program button. Follow the prompts to submit your application to the merchant program. Wait for the merchant's approval, which may take a few hours to a few days. Once approved, you can start promoting their products. Refer back to your dashboard to track your performance with each merchant. Utilize the tools and resources available to maximize your affiliate marketing success. Explore merchant promotions regularly to stay updated on opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.